Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to upload the video on Slack. First, go to any message or channel right here, and then go to the message line right here. Then if you see this plus button, just click on it. And here, you can upload files from your computer. And to do that, just click on here. So let's say I just want to go add the video. Let's say this video. Just wait for it to load, and if it's still loaded, you could check if it's the video that you want to send, something like that. So I can confirm that it's the video that I want. Well, after that, you just need to click on X, or you could also select a thumbnail. So the file needs to be finished first, so that you can select a thumbnail. So I'm just gonna pause the video and wait for the file to be finished uploading. So once the video is finished, you can now select a thumbnail that you want. So click on the video again, then select thumbnail, and you could hover to any part of the video that you want to make a thumbnail of. Just something like that. Just slide the line here. So this you can move on slowly. So once you're done, just click on select and click on next, and now you could send the video. It's just that simple, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.